NeuroTracker is cutting-edge training technology for boosting mental performance in the world of team sports. NeuroTracker trains perceptual cognitive skills, enhancing an athlete's ability to read fast, complex gameplay and increasing the athlete's awareness of what's happening on the field. NeuroTracker uses a true 3D environment to activate the same neural processes that sports naturally activate. It then pushes athletes to their limits in a controlled, scientific setting. NeuroTracking is straightforward. Visually lock onto 4 targets in a group of 8 and track them during dynamic motion. Though simple, the mental task is highly demanding, activating the high-level brain resources necessary to predict trajectories, spread attention across multiple points of focus, and continue to follow targets that suddenly move out of view. Speed is a crucial element for intensifying these demands and is increased to each athlete's threshold level for rigorous conditioning. A full training session takes only 8 minutes, but adjusts to provide an engaging workout every time. NeuroTracker is a unique training technique because it isolates areas of mental muscle that are critical for sports and improves them rapidly. This is because the brain structurally rewires itself if stimulated intensively and repeatedly. In the same way that muscle cells improve with physical conditioning, precise mental workouts improve the efficiency of neural networks. The main difference is that neural conditioning happens much faster and has a longer-lasting effect. This means perceptual cognitive training with NeuroTracker brings increases in performance ability at a superior rate to physical conditioning. Dr. Jocelyn Faubert, a world-leading neurophysicist, is responsible for developing NeuroTracker. His research focuses on measuring human sensory performance in a virtual environment. NeuroTracker is a breakthrough technology that's been scientifically crafted to radically improve perceptual cognitive abilities for sports. It was developed by testing Olympic athletes in Dr. Faubert's advanced lab. NeuroTracker data from a wide range of elite athletes is analyzed to extend the boundaries of sports science knowledge. Team sports push an athlete's perceptual cognitive skills to their limits by continuously overwhelming athletes with the complex and dynamic motion of many players moving around the field. Tracking key players on both teams from moment to moment in high-pressure situations is not only extremely mentally demanding, but absolutely critical for sports performance. Research has shown that elite performers rely on superior awareness to be in the right place at the right time to make the crucial plays. Developing these skills at the mental level requires years of conditioning which NeuroTracker accelerates through focused and intensive mental workouts. NeuroTracker's boosting of perceptual cognitive ability benefits athletes in numerous ways. Number 1. When athletes have greater awareness of what's happening on the field, more scoring threats and scoring opportunities can be realized on the fly, an essential ingredient for intelligent tactical decisions. Number 2. NeuroTracker not only trains the athlete to perceive more, it trains the athlete to process the information faster, meaning the athlete has a split second longer to make a decision in a crucial situation. Number 3. NeuroTracker expands a player's ability to draw in information from peripheral vision, meaning players have better awareness to avoid collision threats from the sides. Number 4. Effective NeuroTracking requires getting in the zone mentally, teaching players to overcome attention slips and instead hone their concentration when it matters most. Each athlete gains access to a package of NeuroTracker session types as they progress through training. These use different speed techniques, bring in additional perceptual skills, and add elements of competitive psychology through dual user modes. While all session types improve tracking skill, an athlete who wants to practice a particular cognitive activity, such as target prioritization, can do just that. For most athletes, 2 8-minute sessions a week provide a solid basis for rapid improvement in perceptual cognitive ability. Injured athletes may engage in more intensive training so they can recover from the physical injury while actually heightening their mental game shape. Track the action, read the plays, know the game. NeuroTracker 3D Perceptual Cognitive Training.